Welcome to our channel. Military benefit cards require in-person activation at authorized locations. Here's a step-by-step guide to activating your card at the store counter efficiently and correctly. Step 1. Locate an authorized activation location for military benefit cards. This could be on base at the exchange, commissary customer service, or specific retail partners. Step 2. Bring your military benefit card along with your military ID, driver's license, or another form of government-issued identification. Step 3. Approach the customer service counter or designated activation station during business hours. Inform the associate you need to activate a military benefit card. Step 4. Present both your unactivated military benefit card and your identification to the associate for processing. Step 5. The associate will verify your identity by comparing the information on your ID with the benefit card details in their system. Step 6. You may be asked to provide additional information such as your date of birth or the last 4 digits of your Social Security number for security purposes. Step 7. The associate will process the activation through their system. This may involve swiping your card or entering the card number manually. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, you may be prompted to create a PIN for your card using a terminal at the counter. Choose a secure 4-digit number and enter it twice to confirm. Your military benefit card is now active and you can use it immediately for authorized purchases and services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.